Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Apple Watch keyboard notification. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, if you are, pissed off by the Apple Watch keyboard notification, when you just want to type something and the notification is going up and you don't want to show it, to have it, displayed, what you want to do is just go to the settings on your iPhone and let's go to the notifications right here. You want to just press on it, and now you want to find the Apple Watch keyboard. And if you don't want any notifications to display right here, you just want to, don't allow the notifications. But as you can see, you can just have it in the notification center. So it means it is only going to be displayed right here in the notification center. And also, you can just have it on the lock screen or just the banners, and the banners are the thing that have displayed moments ago. So I think the best option is to have it in the notification center, because always if you want to put something in on your Apple Watch using the keyboard on your iPhone, you can every time find it right here in the notification center. But if you don't want to have it at all, just don't allow the notifications by turning off it. So this is it. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.